Time value of money. What is the time value of money? Its simple concept is, for example, if I want to give to you 1 lakh rupee, 1 lakh rupee I have to give. Today I brought a briefcase with a full of cash, 1 lakh, and I want to give to you. But I had made a small deal with you. Should I give now, after 1 year? If I ask you a question, what is your response? No. Yes or no? But the thing is, same briefcase I will give you after 1 year. I won't touch that 1 lakh, right? In front of you only I will keep it. I will hold it for 1 year, and at the end of the 1 year I will give to you. What's wrong in that? Won't you take? If you have a proposal, this 1 lakh to be taken now after 1 year, what is your response? Now itself. Why can't you take after 1 year? Yes. So you see, when you are saying that, sir, I need money now itself, not in future, it indirectly conveying that you believing that same amount is going to give in future. Hello? Same amount is going to give it in future. Hello, white shirt. What you are doing? Come this side. Last, you enter row, stand up, come in front of me. You also, you 3 members, stand up. Come this side, 3, last. Because the light is, you are not visible to me. సార్ రేపటి నుంచి ఇక్కడ లైటింగ్ క్లారిటీ లేదు, స్టూడెంట్స్ నాకు కనిపించట్లేదు, అందువల్ల మెజారిటీ ఇటు సైడ్ హోల్డ్ చేయండి. ఆ లాస్ట్ రాట్లో కూర్చోనివ్వద్దు. రైట్, ఓకే. యూ కమ్ దిస్ సైడ్, యూ 3 members. No, you people, first 2, okay, last. Right. So now the question is, and you are a CMA specialist, right? I have to give how much? 1 lakh to you. So I brought this 1 lakh with a briefcase. Now I'm making a deal. Should I give now, after 5 years means? So what is your opinion? Now only. So this 1 lakh I'm going to give you same amount at the end of 5th year also, man. In that case also, now only. What would be the reason if someone asks you that, you know the knowledge of what? Time value of money. What is that? Time value of money. If the person who don't know the time value of money, what do you say? No problem, Balu sir, I will take after 5 years also. No. The person who knows the time value of money certainly asks that. So now itself you give it, sir. What is the reason for that? So technically we are going to learn in this class, right? Time value of money, what it indicates, dear students. So I'm giving notes, my version, take it down. So TVM. View. Well, you see, time value of money. Dear students, first to understand, it is the basic principle, which is time value of money is the basic principle in which all the decisions of financial management are based on it. Dharmo rakshiti rakshitaha. It's one of the golden principle. There is in Sanskrit, Orulerani vanambu napriya munakan taguta, Urulaku navisei kunikin parayana paradharma padamula kellan. One fine day, Mr. Dharmaraj asked Mr. Krishna, what is the ultimate dharma in this world? What is the ultimate dharma? Not religion. Then Mr. Krishna conveyed that whatever you do, the things which hurts others, right? You should not do the same things to anybody, right? If whatever the functions, whatever the behavior, whatever the word, the others perform or do or take, because of that you hurts, So that should not be done to others. That would be the Mahadharma. So if you learn that one, you can render your life comfortably. If you don't know that, then your life would be unproductive. There is a dharma rakshita rakshitaha. What do you mean of that? If you protect dharma, dharma will protect you. Like that, there is a principles, right? This is also one of the principles. The person who don't know time value of money, he never be a financial manager, because you don't know the basic of what is the present money, what is the future money. Okay, so it is the basic principle in which all the decisions of financial management are based on it. Then coming to what is the time value of money, it indicates. So time value of money, it indicates that TVM. What is it? TVM means? Yeah, it indicates time value of money indicates that value of rupee as on today, value of rupee as on today is more valuable than rupee in future. Rupee in future. I repeat again here, what is the logic I want to convey to you, dear students? So a value of rupee when as on today is more valuable than rupee in future or rupee in tomorrow. In some books they may write rupee in tomorrow. Okay, it means that, let me take, basing on this, let us understand a situation here. I'm saving it, it may go corrupts. Right, what it indicates is, ये पेन तो काम नहीं कर रहा. Right, now you see, let us take, you have a money as on today, which is called, what is it? Present value. It means that you have a 1,500 rupees now. It means that as on today. Zero means what? When? As on today. Right, after 5 years also, after 10 years also, you have a 500. Both are same. This is what value? Present value. This would be what value? Future value. In future also you have the same amount. Here also you have how much? 500. Here also you have 500. Both are same. The point what it indicates that both are not same. So this concept is called, what is it? Time value of money. It prefers that present value today is not at all equal to the value to be earned in future. It's even though the currency point of view both are same only. Hello. Currency point of view, here also 500, there also 500, but it's not possible. Why? Because one fine day my grandfather told me that, Mr. Balu, your grandfather, me, I constructed house by spending 1 lakh ra. He told me one fine day, right? By taking my grandfather's words as a inspiration, if I meet engineer for the sake of construction of house by holding 1 lakh, could it possible? Now tell me, what is the reason for that? My grandfather also done the job, hello, by spending 1 lakh. But it is not now. It is when? Approximately 1930, 1940 or in the early of 1950. At the time 1 lakh is worthable. Yes or no? Today 1 lakh, nothing. It means that comparing to that, if you comparing to money held by my grandfather and money held by me, if you take a time span, this would be future value. That would be present value. Hello. Comparing to this, which would be worthful one? Present money is worthful one. Hello. So it means that this time value money, what indicates? Value of rupee today is not equal to value of rupee tomorrow. If you ask me clearly what it says, value of rupee today is absolutely valuable than value of tomorrow. Today is more valuable than. What is the reason for? Why today rupee is more valuable? If anybody asks you, you should be able to answer, So why rupee today is more valuable? How do you say? Why rupee today is more valuable? Because of following reasons. Number one, inflation effect. Do you say? Inflation effect means what? You see, today you are holding 1 rupee. Let us take 100 rupees. By spending this 100 rupees, how much of money you supposed to earn? How much of things you may buy? By spending the same amount, could it possible after 5 years or 6 years? Hello? It's not possible. What is the reason? Price means its value decreases because of what? Inflation. That's why which value would be more valuable? Present or future? Present money is more valuable than future. Why? Because present money does not have what effect? Inflation effect. Certainly future money have the inflation effect. That's why whenever you have a chance to take present money or future money means you must demand for what? Present money itself. If you want to take future money, certainly you will face what? Inflation effect. Hello? Then another one is opportunity cost. What is that? Opportunity cost. See, if you have a proposal, will you take present money or future money means always prefer which money? Present money. Why? Because if you take money now itself, you can invest this money somewhere else. Hello? You may get certain benefit. So whenever you have a money, you have an opportunity to handle, opportunity to solve, opportunity to use because you have a money. When you don't have a money, even though opportunity knocks your door, it's a waste. Are you getting my point? So that's why when present money take, why? Because it has what? Opportunity cost. By using this money, you may get certain benefit. That is called opportunity cost. Are you getting? Why present money is so important? Number one, it does not have inflation effect. It has opportunity, right? Number third one is risk of uncertainty. What is it? Risk of uncertainty. Risk of uncertainty means, for example, we both have a deal, right? Now I will give you now I will give you 1 lakh. After 1 year also I will give you 1 lakh means you certainly prefer which money? Present money. Why? Because future is futuristic. I assure you that I will give you in future. Hello, I don't know what is my future. What about my money future, man? That's why risk of uncertainty is huge. For what? Present money or future money? Future money. So you are agreeing to take future money means indirectly you are supposed to take what? Much risk. So each and every person, they don't want to take what? Risk. That's why better to take what? Present money, right? When you take present money, you don't have a risk. That's why present money is more worthable. Yes or no? Another one is preference for present consumption. Preference for present consumption. Hello? Preference for present consumption means man is a human being. Yesterday I told you, man has a wants. Yes or no? In order to solve this wants, people need things, right? In order to get things, you need rupee. Yes or no? So when wants to be solved? In future or now? Now. When you want to solve wants now means you need things now, right? Then money also you needed what? Now, right? You go take a Coca-Cola to your grandfather. What you will say? Hey, balle balle. What do you say? Cure, I may suffer with cold. Yes or no? You go to Swagruha and take a 1 kg sweet, give to your grandmother. Sugar. Okay? And after completion of this class, you may have, however, juice, right? Take a banana juice and give to your grandma. Will they take? No. Hello? If at all my grandfather suffers from what? Sugar, right? In order to kill him, there is no need to make a master plan. Hello? If simply I will go to where? Swagruha, I will give you 1 kg sweets saying that today is my birthday. My birthday equal to leads to? Hello? What, sir? Is it right? Is it wrong? Not wrong. But as per that is a very, very worst only. Hello? It means that, so today we are saying a grandfather, grandmother, grandfather, grandmother. Bhaiya, ek din hum bhi grandfather, grandmother bhi banenge. Yes or no? Today you might go to the KFC, right? Hello? When you broke the bone, you may get 6 to 10 teeth. When? At the age of, when you be 60 or 70, will you be? Hello? KFC, no? So you have to visit, what is that? Beside KFC, there is a Lakshmi Dental, right? So that is our acute pace, not KFC, right? You have to see the board, right? Hello? It means that when you have a money, now what to do? You have to use the things, you have to enjoy it, you have to solve your wants, right? So if you assume that in future I will get the money, I will take in future, अरे भैया, future तो futuristic. एक दिन जरूर आएगा. In order to kill you, there is no need for any weapon, okay? My birthday is just enough for you. Why? I will give you happy birthday, okay? Then sugar, BP, divided by asthma. Okay? Right? So, what I would like to tell you is, if you take money, now you can solve your wants now itself, right? If you assure that what, if you take in future means, future is futuristic. Okay? That's why you always prefer, if you have a choice to which money to be taken, in that case, considering this, right? If you have a proposal to present money, right? Or future money, which money you will take? Present money only you have to take. Hello? But if you have a choice to take future money, then, sir, plus should be there. Yes or no? I will take future, but मेरे को क्या चाहिए? Plus चाहिए. Plus depends upon, if I utilize the present money in bank, bank has to give interest. If I utilize in business, profit has to give, right? If I utilize in real estate, growth should be there. Hello? If I utilize in stock market, dividend or some other benefit should be there. Hello? It means that the bank which could not give you interest, don't invest. The business which could not pay profit, don't do. The real estate which cannot gives growth, don't invest. Finally, man, if in your regular life, if there is no benefit, right, don't take any transaction. मेरे को क्या है? If someone asks, what is your name, Mr. Balasubramaniam? मेरे को क्या है? मेरे को क्या है? What is this? अरे time value money, यही बताया था बालू सर तो. मेरे को क्या है? What is the benefit to me? If someone asks you, let's have a cup of coffee, then you have to ask, मेरे को क्या है, right? So बिल्लू नीति थ्रिल वाड़ ऐसा नहीं है. Yes, I will come to coffee. Thrill I should be enjoyed. Bill you should be paid. Okay, so this is the indirectly it conveys that, right? Whenever you are utilizing any money, dear students, right? What the ultimate fact is, you should not expect the same money. If the same money such a business gives you, right, don't take it. That's what. So then prefer which money? Present money. But if you want to get in future money means certainly you should expect what? Plus, not that interest, that is plus. That plus may be called, what is it? Time value of money, you should expect. So thus time value of money varies from opportunity to opportunity. Do you say? Bank, what is time value of money? Interest, business, real estate, right? It means that time value of money varies from opportunity to opportunity. Point number one. Point number two, time value of money varies from person to person. For example, I deposit in bank. My point of view, what is time value of money? Interest. So interest is not the time value of money. For my person point of view, what is that? Interest is the time value of money. For example, your grandfather does business, right? What is his time value of money? Profit. Hello? Or your brother invests in stock market. So the return is the time value of money. Hello? So that's why time value of money never restrict that it is interest only. No, not like that. Every individual has time value of money. But the time value of money varies from person to person, then opportunity to opportunity. Title may changes basing on opportunity. Hello? That person to person also it changes. And the time value of money depends upon the risk. If you take more risk, more time value of money. Yes or no? More risk, more time value of money. Less risk, less time value of money. Right? Finally, time value additionally you are expecting now, sir. Balu sir, you showed here plus. Yes or no? You showed plus. Sir, Balu sir, this plus is amount. No. Time value of money always reflects in rate. What is it? Rate or percentage. 20%, 10%, 15%, 60%. It not be 600, 840, 6,400. It never be. So time value of money never denotes in what? Amount. It is always conveys rate. Are you getting? What is the character of time value of money? Tell me. Now tell me, if you have a chance, will you take present? Yes, sir, I will take future money. When? When it should get what? Plus, right? But this same rule could not applicable for all the things. For example, after completion of class, if I go to the temple, right? I leave the 2 shoes. I go to the temple, right? Should I expect 3 shoes? No, मेरे को 3 चाहिए. क्यों? बालू सर बताया था. Whenever you will give 2 shoes, right? After 1 hour darshanam, right? You should expect what? Plus at least a slipper, please. Would it be possible? No. So at least will you able to get at least 1 shoes? No. So there the rule is nothing but whatever you left, right? You should get what? Same. Always it's not useful, but from the finance point of view, you can expect. Okay, Maji? So now one more point is the nature of time value of money. Nature of TVM. Tell me, time value of money, it varies from? Yes, it varies from person to person, or it changes its title, opportunity to opportunity. And it depends upon what? Risk element, right? Means, what do you mean of this, sir? As risk increases, time value of money also must increase. Okay, and finally it denotes in rate, or what is it? Percentage. Now you paid a fees to mastermind, right? It is what value? Present value. Yes or no? You should expect future, right? So you have to do the job and you must get the same salary what you incurred here, right? No, yes sir. Kaun rahe ho? I will go to Charlapalli, okay? Why I will go to Charlapalli? By making live murder in 5th floor. Will you expect the same salary? Already they have given 2 paragraphs, 6 lines they have given. How much of information? With SS Rajamouli graphics I've been using. Hello? She read within 3 minutes, I think she completed. But I've been explaining half an hour. If I translate the subject, that is my duty. If I explain, it is my responsibility. For what purpose? For the sake of India, not for you. Because if teach like that, you will become a chartered accountant. Hello? Or CMA analyst. You may earn more money. That is your personal money turns to national income. National income means Mera Bharat Mahan hai. Hello? I am teaching you means indirectly I am working in Pakistan border. Don't consider me as a faculty. I am a soldier, okay? A doctor works for the sake of health. A financial analyst works for the sake of wealth. Okay? So you should expect what? Sema mora. Yes, that is the time value of money. Samjhe? Right. Got this point? Note it. You noted, So time value of money. But the point is, in this time value of money chapter, sir, why we are learning? Very simple. Whenever you are going to do whatever the decision function you undertake, right? In that function or decision, money involves, because of that decision, that function, you should not get the same amount or same profit in future. Hello? That is you have to keep it in mind. You are doing business. What is the benefit? You are taking any financial transaction. You must expect some benefit. Hello? That would be the basic agenda to convey this one. Okay. Now, but dear students, let us take X is a person. Yes, ma'am. What is your good name? Mr. Mastan stand up, Mastan. Mastan has 5 crores. And Mastan want to do business. And Mastan approach the chartered accountant. Stand up, man. Mastan approach that chartered accountant. And Mastan want to do business by spending 5 crores. After Mastan want to deposit this money in SBI. Hello? SBI after 5 crores, that SBI CEO, he will give you same 5 crores back. Now tell me, is it Mastan if takes a decision, is it right or wrong? Wrong. But Mastan says that he is my classmate, sir. What should I do? Daddy, vaddi. Are you getting? Daddy, vaddi. Sir, what is this? Yes. Sir, daddy, sir, shut up. It is FM, man. You have to, whenever you give loan to whom? Your dad, you have to take what? Interest. Asking interest is a rule of FM. But what you going to do with that interest amount is your personal. Take money, book wala, go to restaurant, let's celebrate balle. Who will ask you? But you must ask what? Interest. Because it's the time value of money. Hello? So that is the point, right? But Mastan wants to go to the bank, and if he deposits there and bank gives me same amount, what about Mastan opinion? What Mastan has to do? Mastan should not deposit this amount in concerned bank. Do you agree? Where Mastan has to expect interest. That bank is ready to say, yes, I will give you 10% return. How much? 10%. So Mastan will get his principal amount back plus 10% interest. But Mastan don't want to deposit in bank. Hello? But Mastan want to do business. So Mastan went to Bradipet and he want to do business where making investment, he calculated return to be earned. Hello? Profit means his investment comes back. Along with that, he will get a profit. Profit, he will get 6%. In that case, could it better to do business? Sir, better to do business because it gives what? Return, 6% return. But it is not best thing, sir. Why? Because if you do business, you are taking risk, right? When there is an opportunity to you, without taking risk, you are supposed to get how much? 10%. Then why should we do business? Hello? See, first segment, what I told you, if you business means you must expect return, I told you, right? Again, what I'm saying, but even though business gives you what? A time value of money, that is nothing but the profit. What I'm saying that for the sake of or in order to earn that profit, you are indirectly taking what? Risk. Without risk, there is a chance to generate what? Return. No, in that case, is it worthwhile to do business, dear students? No. It means that even though business will gives you a return, that is nothing but time value of money, but that should not be accepted. Why? Because it includes more risk. So when such a business is wonderful to you, when the business should give to you what? Time value of money, return. That return must be greater than bank rate of interest. Why, sir? Why means what, man? If I deposit money in bank, right, without interest I can take, right? Without risk I can take money back. Hello? If I do business, I have to face lot of risk. By taking that much of risk, getting profit less than bank rate of interest means that is a waste. Are you getting? So this is the ultimate point why you are learning the time value of money. So in your entire career, right, you are going to do deposit in bank or to do business. Why you are here? How to do business? Yes or no? So if you are going to make investment in business, business has to give what? Profit. It has to give a time value of money back to you. Then only such a business should be accepted. Hello? But when business gives you time value of money, that's not the final point to be accepted. That return should be greater than bank. So that's why before going to do business, better to go to bank first. Why? Because you have a money. This money to be capital for business. Hello? but where you are going to do business ultimately. Your ultimate objective is to do what? Business. But there risk includes, okay. So by taking risk, how much you supposed to you generate return, whether that return is worthable to accept or not depends upon the rate where bank provides you without giving what? Any risk. That's why our entire financial management subject guides us how to make business investment in where? Business. But before going to business, first we have to change the direction. Where we have to go? Bank we have to go first of all. And first of all, we should study about all the details about the bank, how bank provides interest, everything we have to study. Why, sir? However, with this money, we are not going to deposit in bank, Actually, our ultimate job is to make investment where? Business. Then why should I go to the bank? My bhaiya, kyunki you are not going to deposit in bank, right? But you have to analyze that if I utilize these funds in bank without taking risk, how much I supposed to generate? Return. However, your ultimate objective is to do business, right? So don't do such a business which gives me return which is less than bank rate of interest. Eliminate all the stupid business. Or if gives me same rate of return, gives you same rate of return, don't do. Only pick those business, right, which will give you more return comparing to what? Bank rate of interest. So in order to convey this point, first we will go to where? Bank. So, and where we study that if you deposit in bank, how the bank will pay interest, what are the methods of interest, okay, how they compute, what are the various aspects includes in bank rate of that, everything we are going to study in this chapter, okay. But our job is we have a money, but we don't deposit where? In bank. But we will analyze that if we deposit in bank, what will happen? Okay, that is the chapter, right, ma? So here completed this one. Now our chapter, what it indicates that here you see. If you go to the bank, there are two types of interest. What are they? Simple interest, compounding interest. Yes, one more line you can write here. So banks provides you two types of interest. Types of simple interest, compounding interest. See, in simple interest means you won't get interest on interest, okay? Interest on interest, you won't get it. Let us take, see, we will take a case study. So I am going to deposit whatever the amount you will deposit is called, what is it? Principal, okay? So principal, if I deposit 100 crores, the rate to be paid is 10%. If I wait for how many years? Number of years is 5 years. Then how do you calculate number one? A, amount. B, what is that? Simple interest. If they ask you to find it out, the two things means, how do you compute? Simple interest, you know that, right? Hello? So simple interest equal to, how do you calculate simple interest? Yes, simple interest equal to PNR. Yes or no? Where principal represents 100 into N represents 5 years plus rate represents 10%. How much it is? 50 would be the simple interest. What about the amount? Where you can write like this, simple interest plus what? Principal. 50 plus 100 equal to 150. So this is the way. Dear students, here what is the simple interest means? Every year, for example, you deposited 5 years means first year you deposited how much? 100 rupees, right? Hello? But the first year on 1/1, let us take, imagine such a situation. It means that on 1/1/2000 you deposited 100, right? On 31st December they used to give interest, how much they will give? 10% means 100 rupees, 10 rupees they used to give. Hello? Yes or no? But on 1/1/2001, how much balance would be there? 100 rupees you invested, man, in 2000. Hello? At the end of the period, they gave 10% interest. That is nothing but 10 rupees. And the beginning of 2001, your amount is 110 with bank, right? But how much interest they will give you on second year also? They will give you, what is that? 10 rupees also. Hello? Only 10 rupees they will give you. Sir, what is this, sir? I have it. My interest amount is there with you. You know, the 10 lakhs means what they say. Sorry, sir, Balu, sir. Interest on interest is not at all possible here. You can earn interest only on principal, but not interest. Are you getting my point? Thus, interest on interest is not at all possible. Interest on interest is not possible. For example, third year, how much it would be? Even though on 1/1/2002, how much balance you have? 120 you have. Then what the rate of interest? 10%, right? But here also, how much they will give you? 10. It means that here also you will have what? 130. Even though you have how much? 10 here, 10 here, approximately 120 here is there, but they will consider to give interest only over principal. That's why interest on interest is not possible. Such a methodology is called, what is that? Simple interest. Dear students, such a methodology of interest is not exist now. For example, wherever in bank or any organization, if you listen a word called interest, that interest is not a simple interest. That interest is compounding interest. Okay. So this is the way to calculate simple interest and amount, right? Now the mastermind has given one problem. Can you solve this problem? What is this problem is? Right, ma? Read this problem, dear students. Do you have mic? Nobody?
Find the simple interest on 600.
Maji, find the interest. No, we are not patients in hospital. We are the CEO of what company? When equity shareholders, how many people will stand in front of you when you take a mic? You know, Reliance Communication conducts general body meeting. Where, you know? In Mumbai football court. Hello? In Mumbai cricket stadium. Okay? Louder. Okay? Hostler, Homa. Hostler. Tomorrow onwards take 2 more plates extra. And take Horlicks boost divided by Bornvita. Okay? Energy chahiye humko. Otherwise, Pune also, he will play football with us. He will come and he will open the door and he will see. Hey, manager, kya re patla aisa hai? Okay? He will make. Are you getting my point? Fun of us. That's why manager to manager hi hai. Yes, ma.
Find the simple interest on 600 at 6% per annum for 5 years. Also find the amount.
Okay, what is this 600 is called? Future value? Amount of principal. Principal. What is the rate of interest? What is the number of years? Can you calculate simple interest? He asked 2 things. What is that? Find the simple interest and also what is that? Amount. Now solve the problem. One idea. Very good. Come on. So simple interest equal to problem number. So given information, क्या दिया है आपको? Principal. How much principal is? 600. Rate. Number of years. So now basing on this information, dear students, we will calculate A. What is it? A. Simple interest. That is simple interest. Simple interest equal to PNR, where P represents 600, N represents 5 years, rate represents 6%. 180. Amount equal to simple interest plus principal. So simple interest is 180 plus principal is 600. that equal to 780. At present, simple interest methodology is there? No. Why? Because it won't gives you interest on interest. It means that it indirectly ignores what? Opportunity cost of whom? Investors. Because I invested 100 lakhs, man. I got a 10% interest. So 10 lakhs. I couldn't withdraw that amount. I kept in the bank only. Hello? So, but bank won't consider my interest. And again, if they want to compute interest, they will take only principal amount. But what my point is, if I would have invested this interest outside, I would get some benefit, Why don't you consider my opportunity cost? If you ask like that, what they say means, sorry, Balu sir, we are not going to consider what? Your opportunity cost. That's why this method is deleted from financial management. In this place, another method came into the picture. That is called what? Compounding interest. What is it? Compounding interest. Right. Finished this one? Why simple interest is deleted? Note it down somewhere. You may forget. Your brain is not Einstein bear, I already told you. Notes is what not. Notes is not I declare, right? Notes is what you prepare. If this point is there, note it there in Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam divided by Hindi. Any of the language, you can prepare it. But finally you have to learn what? Subject. Hello? Alright. So simple interest ignores what? Note. Simple interest method. Online student following ma? Message me. No messages. Very good. So simple interest method ignores what? Opportunity cost of investors. Okay. Thus it is deleted. Okay. It is nowhere concerned with the current market. Why? Because it ignores opportunity cost of investor. So in order to overcome this, another method came into the picture. What is that? Compounding. Finished? Anybody writing? Another method, what the management is declared is, what is it? Compounding. Compounding means what? Adding. Compounding means it is a, you see, concept of what? Compound interest. Okay? Compound interest. Note it down, ma. Simple interest method. Compound. Simple interest method, compound interest method. Point A, the word compounding means adding. The word compounding means what? Adding. What to what add? interest add backs to principal in order to calculate interest. Such a method is called what? Compounding interest. Can I write like this? It is the method. It is the method in which earned interest is add backs to principal in order to compute what? Interest. I repeat again, read the statement, understand. It is the method of interest in which what happens? Earned interest, what happens? Add back to which one? Principal. Why? In order to compute what? Interest. Thus, in this method, interest can earn interest. Interest can earn what? Interest. So interest can also earn what? Interest. In one of the movie, Mr. Ravi Teja says a dialogue. Not only police do duty, police uniform also does duty. What an intelligent man. Keep it bhaiya. Ek din मैं पूछूंगा. Why simple interest is not at all considered in time value of money? Why? What is in compounding interest? What happens? In such a situation, you should respond in a wonderful way. Then I will assure you that you are a Vikramarka. Otherwise, the stick is not there here. We are restricted that the faculty should not use what? Sticks. And they are saying that kids seems to be gods. If you want to see gods means don't see right side, Mr. Balasubramaniam. There is a temple, right? In temple you won't find gods. In front you will find gods. Okay, that is the messages we've been getting every day. Okay? Right. Is it fact? Yes. Very good. Acha bacha hai. Yeah, it is the method in which earned interest is add backs to what? Principal in order to compute interest. Thus, in this interest, okay, thus in this means in this method, right? In this method, interest can earn interest. So it means that, can I say, this method ignores a opportunity cost. This method considers opportunity cost of whom? Investor. This method considers opportunity cost of whom? Investor. Okay, dear students. Now, so in this method, how do you compute, what is it? Future value. That is nothing but amount. Hello? So here the next method, how do you compute amount? How do you compute amount, right? Estimation of future value of single amount. Estimation of future value of what amount? Future value of single amount. Let us make it. Future value of single amount. Before going to this, dear students, generally whenever we will deposit any money, whatever we will get in future is called what? Amount, right? In future value of single amount, what happen? We will have a what? Principal, right? For this, what do you do? 1 plus r whole power of n. We will multiply with what? Rate of interest. Then we will get it amount. Hello? So amount equal to what is it? Principal into 1 plus r whole power of n. If you multiply with this, you will get amount. But now onwards, we are not going to use the word what? Amount. Instead of using amount, we will say it would be future value. What value? Future value. But the principal is called what value? Present value. But what is this 1 plus r whole power of n would be called? What is that? Future value factor is based on given rate of year, number of years, given rate of interest and number of years. Hello? Considering all these things, the above future value can be computed like this. Future value equal to present value into future value factor r percentage n number of years. This is the formula. Are you getting my point? So future value equal to present value into future value factor r percentage n number of years. So what does mean of this, sir? See here in our material, there is a table given to you, table number 1. Which table? Table number 1. This is the table number 1 is given to you, right? Have you seen this table? This table is called what value table? Compounding value factor table, or you can also say this table would be what table? Future value factor table. What is that? Future value factor table. What this table conveys that if you deposit 1 rupee today, hello, if you deposit how much? 1 rupee today at the given rate of interest, right? Given number of years, how much it would be? Hello? It is totally ready-made mode, they calculated and gave to you. So they say that don't use the formulas, amount, principal, interest. Hey, you are not a money lender, man. You are who? Financial manager. Language under control, body language must be controlled. If you are doing a CA, if you use Bradipeta Bhasha, Anna, Akka, Babai, 2 rupayalu, if you use such a stupid language, right, they won't consider. Sir, how do you say that language is stupid? Yes, that language is not stupid. But after completion of chartered accountant, instead of speaking corporate language, if you speak Bradipet language, then it would be called what? Stupid language only. You go to the interview in Naukri.com, you selected a Naukri.com, you have an appointment in ITC hotel in Chennai, 5-star hotel. Okay, if you enter into the hotel, right, there would be a receptionist, right? She will kill you in live by using language. She will kill you. There is no need to gun, right? She will begins with gun with saying that, hello, that's enough. Akka, Akka, Guntur to Chennai train on Akka. I am going to take this one. So there is no need to go to the interview room also. Okay, receptionist kills you psychologically. Postmortems. There it's a postmortem. What sir means? Because they're trained, right? Whenever anyone will comes to, they will catch immediately. And now tell me, you are a chartered accountant. Wonderful. CMA, CA, A to B, B to Z, right? But still, there is no corporate language then. If you have a language, then you can handle, you know. If you have a wonderful language, then you can interact. Who knows? She is not a receptionist. She may be director of the company. Hello. Tomorrow you may write CMA inter and you may get the qualification, and for the sake of articleship you may go to the Calcutta. Hello. While doing Calcutta, your job maybe inspires the director of the concerned company. And one fine day he was going to Australia and he may call to you, will you come with me? Anna, if you use Anna Akka Bhasha, you know, Anna, jao, jao, jare Bradipeta bacche. Okay, that's why language is a little bit what? It's important. Hello? That should be developed. It's not a mandatory that you are going to learn simplex, complex, right? Complan, Bornavita, Boost, nothing else. You must be able to at least deliver your subject in corporate language. Are you getting? So, dear students, here also, what happened? A statement is readily given to you. Let us come to here. Can you tell me 10%? So, if I deposit 1 rupee in 10%, I will wait for how many years? 5 years. How much that 1 rupee would be? Yeah, 1.611. But if you deposit at 4%, what is observation? Oh, this table indicates that as rate increases, future value increases. Hello? As rate decreases, okay, 2% 2 years, 2% 3 years, 2% 4 years. What is the observation? As number of years increases, future value increases. Hello. As number of years decreases. Now tell me, if I want to earn more money, what should I do? Better to go to the bank which gives you highest rate of interest. You deposit there, right? Balu sir, all the banks are giving same rate of interest only, sir. Then wait for long period, man. Hello? That is the point. Nothing else. For example, now tell me, Balu sir is going to deposit, what is time now? 4 o'clock? 5 o'clock. Okay. 55 lakh, 55,000, 555 at the 5% interest. I will wait for 15 years. How much it would be? Tell me. Hey, tell me, celebrate your break, man. Balu sir is going to deposit in SBI. How much? 55 lakh, 55,000, 555. At what rate of interest? 5%. And he will wait for 5 years, just not 15. For the poetically it would be 5 years. Then is it difficult? No, Balu sir. What I am going to do, if I deposit 1 rupee at what rate? 5%, block the 5%. How many years? 5 years. Then 1 rupee will become how much, man? 1.271. 1 rupee will become 1.271. Then ask Balu sir, how much you deposit? 55 lakh, 55,555 into 1.261. Within 1 second you can say, but you should not say 1 second in order to get the commission. What do you say? Oh my God, it is the toughest question, Balu sir. At least give me 1 day. But fees would be a little bit more. You can collect the money like that. Only the answer paisa nahi aayega. Uske saath management bhi add karna padega. Hello? Right, we'll continue. Next class. Thank you.